Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to find the solution about LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. You can go to Play Store. You can click here in this blue sign update if you will find it. If it's not working, you can go to uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.